India today is at line of control. This is Afravat Peak, and let me tell you, sub-zero temperatures, difficult terrain, but this is where Indian Army and the Border Security Force operating. This is long-range patrol, the LRP. Look at this. It's difficult to speak even at this particular level, but there you are. This particular difficult terrain itself shows the sort of equipment, the sort of training the security grid has, and this is the time to dominate this, because remember, activities across line of control extremely high. Pakistan has sounded a high alert, but India has been on high alert day in and night out. And there you see, moving very tactically across line of control. And this is where at 13,800 feet, this is the dominance of the security grid, and in particular the border security force. Just look at it. Several inches of snow, that means they can actually, any misstep, and that means they can actually be in the snow itself. But they have that particular training, moving very tactically at this point of time. And remember, this route has also seen a lot of infiltrations in and around. Pakistan is just about 20 kilometers from here on a motorable road, but as the crow flies is just about 4 kilometers, and this is where the dominance is to be seen by security grid, in particular the Indian Army, which has a camp, and obviously the BSF, which has been particularly dominating the road opening party. There is also the long range patrol which is currently on, and that is how you see the patrol take place. And this is an advanced area near the line of control. With camera person Aman, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu at Afravat Peak for India Today.